I'm going to cover 5 loan apps you can apply for right from your phone in only a few minutes. Best part of all, there's no credit check, and in most cases, you can get funded instantly. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. So the 5 loan products we're covering today all work in the same way. You're going to need to link an existing bank account in order to qualify, and terms are going to depend on several factors like bank balance, deposits, and daily averages. I'll have all these products linked if you want to check them out for yourself. Let's start with the first one, FloatMe. With FloatMe, you can borrow up to $50 with no fees or interest. And while it's only $50, it can be a nice bridge to your next paycheck to cover things like groceries, gas, even those dreaded NSF fees. And believe me, those NSF fees can definitely spiral out of control if you're not careful. Next up is Albert. With Albert, you can borrow up to $250 with no interest, late fees, or credit check. Albert also has a lot of other features. If you want an in-depth review, check out that video on my channel. Third is Bridget. And like Albert, you can borrow up to $250 with no credit check, interest, or fees. Remember, and this is with all loans, just because they lend up to a certain amount doesn't mean you're going to get that max amount the first time you apply for this loan. Keep that in mind. Since they don't check your credit, they all have their own scoring systems to determine how much you qualify for. So if you need that extra cash, make sure you apply for more than one. And if you want to help support the channel at the same time, make $100, sign up for Chime. When you apply for Chime, using the link in my description, you'll receive $100 when you sign up, set up direct deposit, and follow a few simple steps. All right, moving on to number 4. Clover. With Clover, you can borrow up to $100 with no hidden fees, interest, or credit check, and the ability to earn points, which can potentially qualify you for more in your next loan. All right, so the last quick loan we can apply for from our phone without a credit check is Empower. With Empower, you can receive a cash advance of up to $100 with no late fees or credit check. I like Empower because you have the ability to grow your loan from $100 to $1,000 over time. On all these loans, I'm oversimplifying them and kind of skimming through them to make this quick video. So make sure you know your terms on anything you apply for before applying. And I do have standalone videos on most of these products, so make sure you check those out. And don't forget to sign up for Chime. Get your $100. And I forgot to mention, Chime also has a $500 quick loan with no credit check. So there's that little icing on the cake. So thank you for watching. Links in the description. See you next time.